And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, what's up mga bad boys? Papunta ka na sa channel ko, mag-subscribe na ka dyan at pinitin yung notification bell para updated kayo sa bagong upload ng video. For more time is may video, please subscribe, like, share, subscribe, like, and skip sa box below. For today's my vlog, CF Moto 1000 NT 2026 model. Engine type liquid cooled parallel twin engine, maximum of power at 83 kilowatt at 8,500 rpm, maximum of torque at 105 newton meter of torque at 6,250 rpm, transmission 6-speed with slipper clutch and via directional quick shifter, throttle system ride-by-wire with customized riding modes, rain, road, off-road, or all-terrain master. Chassis and suspension, frame tubular steel, 20 cr frame, front suspension 48 mm KYB inverted fork, fully adjustable, 230 mm travel, rear suspension KYB monoshock with link gauge full adjustable, 230 mm travel, ground clearance 240 mm, front brake Brembo M4 4.32 radial calipers with dual 320 mm floating disc, rear brakes Brembo single piston caliper with 260 mm disc, rim front tire size is 150/70 by 18. Rear tire 90/90 by 12. Electronic dimension, electronic board cornering ABS, 3 levels, traction control or cruise control and adjustable steering damper, 8 TFT display, 8-inch TFT display, curved touchscreen with Bluetooth and OTA updates. Fuel tank capacity is 22.5 liters. Low mounted saddle bag designed with lower center of gravity. Seat height is 830 mm and 770 mm. Dry weight is 199 kg. Curb weight is 222 kg. Kung nagagawin ka sa akin channel, don't forget to like and share, subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates and for ma-upload this video. Ito yung bagong labas ni CF Moto na 1000 2026 to model. Ano siya, may Bluetooth connection, may cruise control at traction control or traction control or TRCS traction control. Tapos may spoke rims na rin siya, yung gulong niya. Tapos Pirelli Scorpion Rally ang ng brand. At ang brakes naman niya ay Brembo na 4.32 radial calipers with 320 mm floating disc. Tapos may rear tire na brakes is 260 floating disc. Ang caliper niya ay yung disc niya sa front ay dalawa. Na may yung caliper naman niya ay naka Brembo. Tapos yung sa likod niya ay naka para silang Brembo, likod at harap. Tapos yung shock naman niya ay adjustable yung preload niya. Depende sa preference mo. Tapos yung electronics naman niya, Bosch cornering ABS na 3 levels. Once na mag-corner ka, nag-banking ka, iilaw yung kaliwa. Tapos naman yung kanan, pag corner ka sa kanan, ilaw naman yun. Pero automatic na siya nag-shoot off. Tapos yung capacity naman ng tangke niya ay 22.5 liters. Tapos may saddle tank. Tapos yung adjustable ang seat height naman niya adjustable naman to between 830mm and 870mm. Tapos ride weight naman niya ay 199 kg. Tapos yung curve weight niya, timbang niya ay tumitimbang siya ng 222 kg. Ito yung pinaka-tatay ni 450 NT na nilabas ngayon yung 2026 model. Tapos ground clearance naman niya is 240mm. Tapos 8 display. Ang torque naman niya is 105 Newton meter at 6,250 RPM. Yung power naman niya ay is 83 kW at 8,500 RPM. Ito hindi ka na tulugi ito sa 105 na torque niya, yung lakas niya. Lagi ka nang gagawin, kung di ka pa nang subscribe, pwedeng pakipindot ng subscribe naman at pinutin yung bell icon para lagi kang ma-inform sa bago kong i-upload na videos. Liter class na adventure bike to. Adventure bike. Pwede ka mag-navigate sa display niya, navigate, at pwede ka mag-music, at pwede mo i-connect sa cellphone mo, pwede ka mag-Spotify, or kung pwede kang pwede mo pag-connect sa cellphone mo kung pwede tatawag sa'yo at pwede mo masagot. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell for more updates and for more upload these my videos. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you for watching this my vlog. Don't forget follow us my social media account like TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram and YouTube. Thank you for watching and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Babush.